In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a watermark for YouTube in Adobe Express. A watermark is a small, consistent branding mark that sits on your video, usually a logo or simple text, so viewers instantly recognize your content. Let's walk through the process from setup to fine-tuning so your watermark looks clean and professional without distracting from the video itself. Start by creating or opening your video project in Adobe Express. From the home screen, choose the video option to start fresh, or upload your existing video file to continue editing. Make sure the project is set to the aspect ratio you use for YouTube, typically 16:9, so your watermark sits correctly on the frame throughout the video. Next, prepare your watermark graphic. The ideal format is a PNG file with a transparent background, which allows it to layer cleanly over your footage. Keep the design simple. Think a crisp logo mark or your channel name in a readable font. If you're exporting a logo from another app, remove the background there and save it as a transparent PNG. If you don't have a logo handy, you can create a text-based watermark directly in Adobe Express in the next step. Now add the watermark to your video. Open the Add panel or Media Upload option and import your PNG watermark. If you're going with text, add a new text layer. Type your channel name or brand, and choose a clean, legible style. Once it appears on the canvas, you'll see it as a layer on your timeline as well. Position the watermark so it's visible but not intrusive. Drag it to a corner, bottom right or bottom left is common, and leave a small margin from the edges so it doesn't look cramped or risk being cut off on different devices. Check that it doesn't cover faces, captions, or important on-screen graphics. Adjust the appearance and timing to make it feel polished. Resize the watermark so it's noticeable yet subtle. Smaller is usually better for a professional look. If opacity controls are available, lower the opacity to make it semi-transparent. Somewhere in the mid-range often works well, allowing the content to shine while your branding remains present. For timing, extend the watermark layer across the entire timeline if you want it visible throughout the video, or trim it so it only appears during specific sections. Play back a few moments to confirm the size, opacity, and placement feel consistent and balanced. With these adjustments, your watermark will reinforce your brand without pulling focus, giving your YouTube videos a clean, cohesive finish.